In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my very dear friends, students, everybody here in the class, a very good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Great, thank you very much indeed. And we're going to start today a bit of practice of accent. Accent plays a significant role in developing your language or making you what you are. It has its impression when you express yourself. If it is accented speech, you will be given importance. I have seen the politicians, the businessmen, and very influential people across the world, when they speak with certain accent, and even educationists and motivational speakers, when they speak with certain accent, they are understood and they are applauded and they are greeted strikingly. So, dear friends, I will also like to mention one important aspect of accent here. In IELTS, for example, you don't have to speak in a certain accent. For example, English accent or British accent or even American accent is not expected from the Asian people. But if you still speak with accented speech, or you try to just follow or imitate the native speakers as far as the accent is concerned, you will be given the credit of speaking like that. So it means that it doesn't have any criterion for marking in the IELTS examination, but still you need to be perfect. And the modern tests like PDE, they are operated by AI, artificial intelligence, and there is a portion of speaking as well over there. So you can, if you are, speaking with a certain native speaker's accent, you'll be accepted, and you will be understood by the AI comfortably well. And you can also have your very good impression when you're meeting people across the world. If you're speaking with certain accent or good accent or very close to the native speakers, you will be appreciated everywhere. So that's what I'm just trying to create. You were trying to refine rather good pronunciation and accent, and I hope that you won't disappoint me, will not disappoint me by speaking, giving your text with certain accents. Thank you very much. I'm going to start. Very nice. Start.
Tom, I'm 16 and I'm fed up with school and exams. I'd like to leave now and get a job. Any job. I want to earn some money, but my mom and dad say that I can't leave school. They think I'll regret it later, but I don't think I will.
When I'm clapping, you all will clap, please. Excellent performance, really brilliant.
Abby, I'm a student in my last year at
I'm a
university.
student
I'm
in my
a
last
student.
year. Okay, speak forcefully, please, energetically.
I'm a student in my last year at university.
At university.
At university.
You're not university. University. University.
University.
Four syllables. Four syllables next game. University, not university. University. Every word has got its importance. You have to speak accordingly, please. Be careful about it. Yes.
University.
Yes, great.
I've got debt for nearly £25,000. Am I going to study hard for my exams because I hope to get a well-paid job? I hate owing so much money. I'm going for an interview next Friday. Wish me luck.
3 stop. Got it. It was a moderate kind of, accent you were following. It was not the perfect style I was thinking about. So you have to polish up yourself more and further, please. Okay.
Kelly, I'm a paramedic. I love my job, but it's very stressful. I'm looking forward to having a good break. We are going to Spain this summer. I'm planning to do nothing but read on the beach for 2 whole weeks.
That's right. It was really, the tone was fine, but further can be polished. All right. Thank you. Very good.
I work in IT. There's nothing I don't know about computers, but I need a change. I am thinking of applying for another job with a company in New York. I saw it advertised online and it looks like the job is for me. I would love to work there for a couple of years.
I would love to work for there for a couple of years. Chunks जो हैं आपने सही सिलेक्ट करने हैं, कितना कितना बोलना है और उनके अंदर पॉज कितना देना है, और चंक बोलते हो टोन आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए. बातें बनाना आप सबको बहुत आती हैं, लेकिन फोकस करना टास्क पर, असाइनमेंट पर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट स्पीकिंग द चंक्स. अभी आपके रिवाइज करवा रहे हैं, अभी आपको वापस आ रहे हैं नई एक्टिविटीज के साथ. यस प्लीज.
Alison, I've got 3 kids under 7 and my husband works abroad a lot of the time. I enjoy looking after the kids, but I'd love to travel too. Sometimes I get fed up with staying at home all day. I'm looking forward to going back to work in a year or two.
आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू को आपने दरमियान में पॉज दे दिया, अननेसेसरी पॉज दिया आपने. So please be careful next time. Overall it was very nice, but मजीद improvement की गुंजाइश मौजूद है. All right, thank you.
Bill, I'm a retired news agent. I didn't have a day off for 4 years. Now I like sleeping late and planning holidays on internet for me and my wife. I am pretty good at using a computer. We are going on Bob Day to Tuscany next year, so I'm going to do a course in Italian.
Excellent. Over the rise and fall of the tone, energetically speaking. Moreover, he was also giving right pauses at right places. So very nice. You're a brilliant guy, mashallah. Yes, please.
5.3. I enjoy work in Paris. We are hoping to go to Italy for our holidays. She wants to leave work early tonight. She'd like to leave work early tonight. I am looking forward to seeing you again soon. He wants to play sports games on the way. Do you want to learn foreign languages? Do you like to learning foreign languages? We are going to have a few days off soon. We'd love to have a few days off soon. I don't want to do housework.
Right. That's great. थोड़ा सा और improve करना है आपको. That was nice. Overall, it was a good impact and impression, but need to improve further, please. Yes, sir.
Making questions. I hope to go to university. What do you want to study? I am going to study philosophy and politics.
I'm going to study
I-
philosophy and politics.
And politics. I'd like to be the prime minister. I think that's the worst job in the world. One of my favorite hobbies is cooking. What do you like making? Well, I love baking cakes, all kind of cakes. Okay, can I have a huge chocolate cake for my birthday? I am looking forward to the party. Who are you hoping to see there? No one special. I just like parties. Me too. We are planning our summer holidays. Where are you thinking of going? We went to go camping this year. Oh, camping? I hate sleeping in the tents.
Wow, that's good. Good. Very nice. One.
Why are you looking forward to the weekend? I haven't got your brother's new dress. Mary says she has not seen you for months. Why are you dressed in old clothes?
All right. It's okay. You can have a lot more improvement. You need to focus further and harder. Yes, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Susanna, Sudi for short. I'm 20 years old at the moment.
Would you speak a bit aloud, please?
Okay, so I'm in my second years at art schools and I often dream about my futures. I have big plans and I would like to tell you about them. My most intermediate plans are holiday plans. I'm going to visit my brother who is working in Australia. My mother and I are going to spend my Christmas with him in the summertime. I'm very excited about that. When I return, I need to make a final decision about which course to study next year. I'm still not sure about it. I'm thinking of doing either fashion design or landscape design. It's difficult because I'm interested in both. If I choose landscape, I would like to work with my friend Jasper. He's brilliant with gardens.
It's okay, intermediate kind of presentation, neither too good nor too bad, but there is आपके अंदर potential और है ज़्यादा है, आप इसको मज़ीद improve कर सकते हैं. Anyway, yes please.
Hey Pete, what are you doing this evening? Hey Ben, I'm meeting my brother for a drink. Would you like to come? Sorry, I can't. I'm working late this evening. But are you doing anything interesting this weekend? Yes, I'm going to stay with an old school friend.
Okay, fine. Yeah, there is once again. I mean, you spoke good, chunks were nice, but tone को और refine करना है आपने. Okay, thank you. Very good. Yes, please, guys.
Hey, it's the weekends. Are you doing anything interesting? No, I am not. I give you a ring. Maybe we can do something together. Sorry, I can't this weekend. I am going to a holiday on Sunday. Oh, lucky you. Where to? Crazy for you weekends. Where are you doing this area? Here? Oh, I can't decide. In paragraphs, you're cycling in your France again. Hey, where are you back from holiday for birthday of 50? Yes, I am. Are you going to have a party? I haven't thought about it. Maybe I just celebrate home with our new friends.
Not very satisfactory. It's just ordinary, basic reading skill. इसको और बहुत 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 improve करने की गुंजाइश है. Yes, please.
Discussing grammar. 1. Have you decided which university to apply for?
Have you decided?
Which university to apply for?
University. University.
Which university?
Very university.
University to apply
Yes,
for.
university, city.
Which university to apply for? Oh yes, I'm going to apply for Oxford. Good luck. That's difficult to get into. I haven't got your mobile number. Really? I'll text it to you right now. Thanks. Do you have mine? Yes, I think so. 3. We don't have any fruit in the house. I'm going shopping this afternoon. I'll get some apples. Great. I'll give you the money for them. 4. My bag is really heavy. Give it to me. I'll carry it for you. Thanks. Oh my goodness. What have you got in here? 5. Tony is back from holiday. Is he? I'll give him a ring. I am seeing him this evening. Do you want to come? 6. What are we having for supper? I'm going to make spaghetti bolognese. Not again. We had that twice last week.
Not again. We had twice last week. आपके अंदर जो वो इस सेंटेंसेस को बोलने की रूह है वो मिसिंग थी. अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. हर एक सेंटेंस की एक लफ्ज की रूह होती है. आपने जब कोई अच्छी खुशी की बात करनी है तो उसको सेलिब्रेट करना है खुशी के एक्सेंट के साथ. अगर आपने नॉट अगेन वी ट्वाइस हैव हैड दिस लास्ट वीक, 2 मरतबा पहले बनाई है स्पेगेटी हमने बनाई है. सो उसको उस लहजे में बोलना है. आपने हर लफ्ज को उसकी रूह के मुताबिक बोलना है. यस, थैंक यू. But anyway, it was nice. Yes, please.
Talking about you, where did you grow up? Do you still live in the same house? How do you get on with your parents?
Do you live still? Do you still live in the same house? शाबाश. Question है the same house.
Okay.
राइज करना है और अगर आप फुल स्टॉप पर आता है तो फिर आपने लोअर करना है टोन को. Yes, I live in this. I still live in the same house.
How do you get on with your parents? Do you ever fall out with your friends and stop speaking to them? Would you like to be a doctor or nurse and look after people?
Look after के दरमियान में इन्होंने pause दे दिया, गलत pause दिया है.
Look after people.
Look after the people. Look after दो इकट्ठे वर्ड्स हैं.
Yeah.
कभी भी वो इंग्लिश बोलते हुए pause नहीं देंगे इनके दरमियान में. Look after the people. गलत हो जाएगा. Look after it's a collocation. Look after दो लफ्ज इकट्ठे आएंगे ये जब भी आएंगे. सेंस अगर उनकी यही है तो look after. जी, ख्याल रखना. जी.
Are you good at picking up foreign languages? Do you look up lots of words in your dictionary?
In your dictionary. Not dictionary. Dictionary. Right. जब आप एक वर्ड को उसकी सही स्पिरिट के मुताबिक, सोल के मुताबिक बोलेंगे, आप खुद भी उसको बोलते हुए एंजॉय करेंगे. यस. ये
I had a real shock the other day. My little nephew, he's 6, said to me, Uncle Leo, when you were a little boy, did they have telephone? I couldn't believe it. I said, of course, we had a telephone. How old do you think I am?
We have a telephone. Yes, that's very nice.
Then he said, but did you have a mobile phone? And I thought, did we? I can't remember life without mobile phones. But in fact, I think I was about 8 when my dad got one. Yeah, I said, when I was 8, said my nephew, I knew it, you are old. I didn't like hearing that. I'm 28 and I don't feel like grown up at all. I have a great life, a good job, lots of friends. I go out with them most nights. I go to the gym every morning. I'm going to buy a flat by the river next year. Maybe when I'm in my 30s, I'll get married and start a family.
Excellent. Really, काफी बच्चों के बाद एक बहुत ही शानदार, दोनों ने अच्छी बहुत बात की है. Very nice. I'm impressed. Mashallah. Very good.
I think you will pass your driving test. You won't fail again. It's your fourth time. I think my team will win. They won't lose this time. They've got a new manager. I think it'll be warm today. You won't need your jumper. Just take a t-shirt. I think I'll join a gym. I won't go on a diet. I like my food too much. I think they will get discovered. They won't stay together. They argue all the time. I think I will go by train. I won't fly. I hate flying.
Very nice. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छी एफर्ट थी आपकी. शाबाश.
What can you say? Why are you looking forward to the weekend? Because I am going to the trade with friends. Have a note. I will give it to you now. I know. I will call here this evening. Why are you dressed in the old clothes? Because I am going to help my dad in the garden. Congratulations. I heard you now. Yes, I am doing work in New York.
All right, that's good. Thank you very much. Very good. Okay, guys and girls, it was the first session of your communication class, a spoken English class in which you are learning how to speak words, accent building, pronunciation, display. You have done it pretty good. Some of the students were really outstanding. Some of the students were okay. And some of the students couldn't perform up to my expectations, even a bit of it. But still, I appreciate you that you have tried. कोशिश करने वाले अगर कामयाब ना भी हो तो कोशिश करना उनके लिए आगे कामयाबी की नवीद और उम्मीद बनती है. So you are working, you are trying. If you will try hard, you will become super duper communicator, speaker, and you will be appreciated everywhere. I think that wherever you should go, people should give you the tribute and they should recognize you that you are a genius of the genius. So ये कैसे हो सकता है? If you will work really hard and try to follow the instructions which I'm telling you about reading skill. यही रीडिंग स्किल, रीडिंग अलाउड वाला आपको राइट स्पीकिंग के लिए जो है वो ऑफ हैंड स्पीकिंग के लिए, विदाउट प्रिपरेशन स्पीकिंग के लिए मोटिवेट करता है. अगर आप अच्छा बोलना चाहते हैं तो अच्छे लिसनर बनना और उसकी रीडिंग अलाउड में प्रैक्टिस करना अजहद ज़रूरी है. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम इन अनदर असाइनमेंट. थैंक यू.